This female rhombic egg-eater has emerged to make the most of the springtime bounty. During the dry months, she hasn't eaten much. And now, she is hungry. She gets lucky. An unsupervised spotted thick-knee nest. As she grasps the egg, her skin stretches tight to accommodate it. Small ridges in her throat help her to grasp the slippery shell, where it's punctured by tiny vertebral spikes. As the shell is pierced and crushed, once she has extracted all she can, she does away with the shell. There is no need to spend weeks digesting something that has little nutritional value. And besides, in this time of abundance, she needs as much room in her stomach as possible to devour as many eggs as she can.